In this video, I will show you how to cancel your order on Temu and get a refund. First, go to your account. Then, tap on the profile icon in the middle. Tap on your orders. Then, tap on the item you want to cancel. There will be a Cancel Item button here. Select that and choose Cancel the order. Select the item once more and tap on the Next Step button. You will be asked for the reason for cancellation. Pick the one that suits your situation. In this example, I will select Order Created by Mistake, and I will give them my reason below. Then, select the Next Step button. If you already paid, Temu will let you get the refund to the financial institution you used to pay for the item. Select that option and tap on Submit. Select Confirm and choose Yes, Cancel Item. Temu will send a confirmation email and process the refund. To double-check, you can go back to your Orders page and tap on the Refund Details to see your refund process. That's it. Thanks for watching.